Introduction. Welcome to our deep dive into the world of MCT oil, a superfood that's been making waves in health and wellness circles. So what exactly is MCT oil? MCT stands for medium-chain triglycerides, which are a type of fat found in certain oils, particularly coconut oil and palm kernel oil. These fats are unique because they are metabolized differently than long-chain fatty acids, providing a quick source of energy for your body and brain. MCT oil has its origins in the 1950s when it was first used in medical settings to help patients with malabsorption issues. Fast forward to today, and it has gained popularity among fitness enthusiasts, dieters, and health-conscious individuals alike. Understanding MCT oil's health benefits is crucial, as it can support weight management, enhance cognitive function, and even boost athletic performance. In this video, we'll explore these benefits in detail, helping you grasp why MCT oil deserves a spot in your pantry. So stick around as we unravel the science behind this remarkable superfood. What is MCT oil? MCT oil is a concentrated source of medium-chain triglycerides, which are a type of fat made up of fatty acids with chains of 6 to 12 carbon atoms. Unlike long-chain triglycerides found in most dietary fats, MCTs are metabolized differently. They are quickly absorbed by the body and converted into energy, making them a popular choice for those seeking a quick energy boost. The most common sources of MCT oil are coconut oil and palm kernel oil. Coconut oil, in particular, is rich in lauric acid, a type of MCT that has its own unique health benefits. While both coconut and palm kernel oils contain MCTs, MCT oil is often extracted and refined to provide a higher concentration of these beneficial fats. What sets MCT oil apart from other fats is its rapid absorption and conversion into energy, which can enhance physical performance and cognitive function. This makes MCT oil a favorite among athletes and those following ketogenic diets. Understanding these differences can help you make informed choices about incorporating MCT oil into your diet. Health benefits of MCT oil. MCT oil is celebrated for its numerous health benefits, making it a valuable addition to many diets. One of the most notable advantages is its ability to enhance energy levels and mental clarity. Because MCTs are rapidly absorbed and converted into ketones, they provide a quick source of fuel for both the body and brain, helping you stay focused and energized throughout the day. In addition to boosting energy, MCT oil plays a significant role in weight management and fat loss. Studies suggest that MCTs can increase feelings of fullness, which may help reduce overall calorie intake. They also promote fat oxidation, making it easier for the body to burn fat for energy rather than storing it. Moreover, MCT oil may offer potential benefits for heart health and metabolism. Some research indicates that MCTs can help improve cholesterol levels by increasing HDL, good cholesterol, while lowering LDL, bad cholesterol. This can contribute to better cardiovascular health. Additionally, MCT oil may enhance metabolic function, supporting overall health and well-being. Incorporating MCT oil into your routine can be a simple yet effective way to harness these benefits. How to incorporate MCT oil into your diet. Adding MCT oil to your daily meals is easier than you might think. One popular way to enjoy its benefits is by blending it into your morning smoothie. Just a tablespoon can enhance the creaminess while providing a quick energy boost. If you're a coffee lover, try adding MCT oil to your brew for a delicious and energizing start to your day. It blends well, creating a frothy texture that many find delightful. Another great option is to use MCT oil in salad dressings. Combine it with vinegar, herbs, and spices for a nutritious dressing that adds flavor and health benefits to your greens. When it comes to serving sizes, starting with 1 teaspoon to 1 tablespoon per day is recommended. This allows your body to adjust to the oil without any digestive discomfort. As you become accustomed to it, you can gradually increase your intake. Don't hesitate to experiment with recipes that include MCT oil, such as energy balls, baked goods, or even homemade sauces. The versatility of MCT oil makes it a fantastic addition to a variety of dishes. Potential side effects and considerations. While MCT oil offers numerous health benefits, it's important to be aware of potential side effects and considerations. Some individuals may experience digestive issues, such as stomach cramps, diarrhea, or bloating, especially when they first start using MCT oil. This is often due to the body adjusting to the increased fat intake. To minimize these effects, it's advisable to start with a small amount and gradually increase your intake. Before incorporating MCT oil into your diet, consulting a healthcare professional is a wise step, particularly if you have underlying health conditions or are taking medications. They can provide personalized advice and ensure that MCT oil is a suitable addition to your routine. Moderation is key when it comes to MCT oil consumption. While it can be beneficial, overconsumption may lead to unwanted digestive discomfort or excess calorie intake. A balanced approach will help you enjoy the advantages of MCT oil without any adverse effects. By being mindful of these considerations, you can safely incorporate MCT oil into your diet and reap its many rewards. Conclusion. In summary, MCT oil is a remarkable superfood that offers a range of health benefits, from enhancing energy levels and mental clarity to supporting weight management and heart health. Its unique composition allows for quick absorption and conversion into energy, making it a fantastic addition to your daily routine. Whether you choose to blend it into smoothies, stir it into coffee, or use it in salad dressings, there are countless ways to incorporate MCT oil into your meals. As we've discussed, it's essential to use MCT oil in moderation and consult with a healthcare professional if you have any concerns. By doing so, you can enjoy the many advantages this oil has to offer while maintaining a balanced diet. If you found this information helpful, we encourage you to subscribe to our channel for more insightful content on health and wellness. Don't forget to like this video and share it with friends and family who might benefit from learning about MCT oil. Your engagement helps us create more valuable content for you, so thank you for being part of our community.